Hello friends, welcome to Kbtutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can launch Microsoft Edge browser using Selenium WebDriver. So here, first what we need to do is we need to get the version of the Edge browser here. Just go to here, all the dots, go to the settings, click on the settings. If you come down, you will see the version Microsoft Edge version HTML18. Okay, this we need to get that. So for that, what you need to do is simply open your browser and go to the Google page and type Microsoft WebDriver first Selenium download. Simply type like this, Microsoft Edge driver, something like that. You can Microsoft WebDriver. Okay, you can go here, first link, you click on this, and if you see our version of Edge is 18. Okay, so all these are there, right? These are very straightforward. You can directly click on it, your exe will get downloaded. You need to use in the path that I'll show. Okay, but in my case this is 18. Okay, when it is 18, Microsoft Edge version is 18, what they are saying is to install, run the following in the elevated command prompt. Okay, if you just copy paste this and put it in a command prompt, you will get some issue. I'll show you that. So I'll just show you this one. Now you can see error 740 you are getting. Elevated permissions are required to run DISM. Okay, how we can overcome this is simply go to the task manager. Simply go to the task manager here. Okay, my task manager is already opened here. Okay, then simply go to the file, run a new task. Here open command prompt and select this, create this task with administrative privileges. You select this and copy paste your line that you have copied from this browser, right? This you paste it. Now it should start downloading. Okay, once this image version, now you can see it downloaded. Once it is 100% successful, then Microsoft driver will get downloaded. Okay, how we can see that is simply go to your Windows here, then go to System32. Here what you need to do is simply this one, Microsoft WebDriver is available or not. Simply copy it and paste this. Okay, it pasted everything, so I'll remove most of the things which are not used. Okay, Microsoft driver. Now you can see it is there. Okay, simply copy paste the path. Now I am copying the path and now you can see I can use it in my code here. So I have created one class here which is Edge driver demo. Here simply use system.set property key value pair you select. Okay, here webdriver.edge.driver is a property and corresponding value is nothing but our edge driver path. Okay, along with a name. Sorry, so this is a path, copy it and use it here along with a name, complete name. Okay, this one .exe. Okay, now once we get this, select WebDriver wd is equal to new edge driver edge driver. So you need to import this edge drivers, guys. This is a edge driver which will get imported. Okay, now remaining is simple. Get, you give your path, which web page you want to go. So I'll just select one web page. Okay, this one I'll just select this and put it here. Now let me run this. So now I started running it. So other okay, let it load, then we'll discuss. Now you can see I think something has happened again. What was it? No such window exception, specific window could not found. Okay, what was that? WebDriver, set property, windows, wt got get, no such window, found some issue, no such window exception. Yeah guys, so when you found that window, no such window exception when correspond to the edge browser, you simply delete this imports and again you start imports, then you will not face that issue. I just removed that imports, again it started showing me to please to import, again I imported, then I could able to get this. Actually Selenium WebDriver for edge browser is not fully implemented, so because of that you will find these small issues. So I hope you understood the concept how to run in a elevated format. Okay, here this elevated command prompt they'll say, right? So that you might have understood from this tutorial. Simply go here to the task manager, run a new task, command prompt, create this as administrative privileges, then you copy paste that particular this particular command. Then you can see in Windows System 32 folder you can see Edge browser got downloaded. Simply use that Edge browser in our class. Okay, that's it guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.